How should we spend our lives subordinate to the ego or to the vast world of inner representations? Both have their role, because a person is simultaneously in both worlds, the visible and the invisible. In the visible world, the mind and the ego solve the problems of our existence, here and now, as of last resort. In the invisible world, we are transported into the vastness of the infinite information field, from where we can draw information about everything from our global spiritual and moral development. One world preserves and keeps us alive as bodily beings, the other as energy beings, whose projection is in the material. Probably, a person should not stumble in either direction. If he gets carried away only by the bodily material, he will lose the supports of his great spiritual destiny, with all the obligatory lessons of spiritual awareness, through which he is transformed as a person. If one concentrates exclusively on the invisible world, built of inner ideas and impulses, one will be strange and detached from the usual material existence. Inveterate materialists pay with spiritual crises, caused by the devaluation of everything that they have affirmed in their lives as important and useful. One way or another, this happens to them, they inevitably go through a crisis of moral feelings. Spiritually insightful individuals pay with material or financial deprivation, with failure to adapt to the advantages of the visible environment. They seem carried away, dreamers, even crazy. The great balance between the two directions of existence is possible. The thing is that every person is born with a certain predisposition to one or the other direction, depending on what tasks he has to solve for his personal transformation in the current manifestation. The two worlds for each person are like connected vessels on an energy level. The shortage or excess in one sphere is reflected in the content and processes in the other.